Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the Sega Touring Car Championship twin cabinet that I'm restoring right now. So I've put in two brand new Philips TVs. The lights all are working. I need to replace the tail lamp that's inside in Flemish. So let's take a look inside one of these cabs. So what we've done, we removed all the existing old hardware except for a power supply. The only thing we need this power supply is for the coin validator box. That's the only thing that's needed. An Intel i5 processor. This is I believe the third generation. I believe this one with an NVIDIA 1030 graphics card. Our custom-made PCB. As you can see, all the original connectors slide on. We used the exact same receiver types for that one. This board eventually is not needed. There was the kind of MIDI port to communicate all the boards to each other, but it's no longer needed, but I leave it in place. Over here there is the existing amplifier that's hooked up through this wire with a loop connector from the audio board of the computer. And this is the old model of the force feedback board. In this cabinet it's not working, but in the other cabinet it's working perfect. So I ordered new, I did redesign the PCBs so it will work for this type of motor also. So let's boot the cabinets up from zero. I'll close this up like that. So let's plug it in. Here's a plug. Plugging in. It has the lamp. I will need to change it. It gives a lot of interference in the amplifiers. It's almost up. Boots rather quickly. So there it is. It's already on. So to select the game, you just need to rotate the steering wheel and you can go into a folder. I designed it like this so you can play standalone, so you can play two different games each side, or together mode, so in master slave function. One side needs to be master. It's always the left side that is master, and the right side is always slave. You can select also slave here, but it will not work because the IP setting of this machine is fixed that way. It's no needed to do that, but like that I can transfer the menu. I just copy the menus over and it all works the same on all my types of machines. There is my third one I restored also with a different kind of feedback motor, but it's all working. So let's take one of the latest new games. Let's take a Techno Parrot game. Let's say Grid Master in this one. Let's put it that one in Grid Slave. Oh, the other way around. You can hold it like that. Grid Slave. Start. Grid Master. Start. In Techno Parrot the lights will not work. That's not yet configured. But for Model 1 and Model 2 games and main games, Race Leader and all the lights works quite well. So let's see if it's linked. Should be. Waiting for multiplayer. All right. Voila. Let's wait it up. Waiting. 0. Yep, we're synced. So we have a two-player cabinet. Now we can introduce some initials. Let's make sure we got some AAA and that one of BBBB. CCC, it's all good. It's all good. For demo propose only. 3, 2, 1, go. So in fact on the original hardware you can play any game you want. Okay, you have to select the same course of course, because that one is over there. Center. Let's take a car, I'll take another car. Take that one, you take the Pagini. Automatic transmission. Let's see, my initials are correct. Alright. Just a quick spin up so you can see that that are really linked. The reset button is configured in zoom out. There's the zoom. And reverse is just push hard on the brake pedal to reverse. Not all cabinets have all buttons to use. So jump out, jump out, jump out. I put it on the side just to hit the other car. That's me on the other car. Hopla, patat, voila. To back up, let's say we're finished, you just hold start and the red button, always on all cabinets it's the same. Voila. It exits back to the menu, exit the other one. Now the CPU is driving my car, didn't know that when the link is broken. So say you want to play another game, Sega Rally works also, just back up. Let's say we want to play Scud Racing, perhaps. We put the master in. I also got Dirt Devils, Daytona, Harley, Le Mans, Scud Racing. I don't like the Toca game, it's quite loud and it's not as fun to play. That one is fine. Let's see. Model 3 Slave I need to select. Model 3 Slave, Scud Racing also. Scud. These games have a timeout to connect to each other. So the most closely you boot them up together, the most luck you have in linking them. Well, there's a sync signal. Oh, and here also the lights work. All lights work. The start lamp is blinking because it's on free play. The race leader lights are working. Why is the other one not on? Perhaps the lamp is out now. Could be that the lamp is broken. It worked before. So you press start. You can race all together. Again, to back up, do it like that. Oh, the other one immediately breaks the link. It's normal. So you have to do the same here. Just force kill the game. Voilà. Game is closed. Let's say we want to play just to show you the force feedback. Oh yeah, let's do Daytona in standalone. In Sega Rally, the steering wheel is always moving. That's quite difficult, but it's the way it is. Please select the race course. So that way, on all original hardware, you can play every game you want. All my caps will become for sale. The services also to convert them to computers, including the force feedback. But the cabinets need to come over to my place. I live in East Flanders, so they need to come to my shop. Like you see, if I will crush it, steering wheel moves on its own. Let's say I drive into the grass. There's a quite hard force feedback. It really forces your muscles. It works quite well. Hopla. When you slip, immediately you get your reaction. When I hit a car, normally also. Not yet. In the wall then. Needs to be harder. Oh no, it pulls away. I do like that. It pulls away. So feedback is completely working as it should. Let's boot up the other one. This one I haven't booted in a while. That's an external button on this because I don't like pulling the plug. So that's also a thing with cheap TVs. They don't come on themselves when powering up. You need to turn them on manually. Like that one is two Philips TVs. You can select power on power up on when you plug it in. This was my first conversion, so now I need to adapt the new technology from the other one into this one also. But it's working. Steering wheel is quite harder. This is a servo motor driven, so it's a type C motor, this one. Like Virtua Racing is a type A motor, and Toca and Le Mans are a type B motor for me. So there are different board sets to convert. Let's say main standalone, then again. Let's say Scud Racing. Sega Rally doesn't work quite well on this hardware. It needs a better CPU. It's not the GPU that's consuming power here. It's all CPU based, these old games. Oh, this one is running like it should. I could link 3 cabinets together if I want, but it's rare that there are 3 people at the same time. And it's also working. The shift matrix, it's a 3-wire system to select 4 gears. It's tricky to do. A 4-wire system, so it's a ground and 3 gears, and the other one is a matrix. Let's see if I got force feedback. I adapted the last time something in this cabinet. Don't know. It's yeah, it's working. It's working. It's stiff. It's quite hard, but it's working. Yeah, it's working. I can feel it. You can see it works. It works fine also. It always tries to pull that way. Pull it the other way. It's normal, eh? Same system, all buttons are working. So select the views. Everything lights up as it should. Exiting, holding these two for like 5-6 seconds. And it sends the escape key to backup. Now you can select another game. Let's say we want to play a main game, a main standalone game. Let's say Outrun. It's a classic. Virtua Racing is also here. The lights work for Virtua Racing. Outrun is also a good game. It's also a game you can play over there in twin mode. It's quite fun with the kids to do. That's normal. You just press a button. But it's still there.
Bank motor direction. Bank motor speed.
I use the default settings.
Motor.
Every time I have to turn this off. In the other cabinets I've turned the speech off. I use MameHooker to send through serial the data to the PCB that's inside to command the lights.
Get ready.
Yeah, I put it low and high indeed. Say we go into the off-road section. You also see it's a shaker in fact in this game. Let's go a bit harder. So 3 and 4 are low and high gear. Let's crash it up. Yep, works perfect. Back it up. longer. Longer. So, should back up. Well, it's there. It's the same system, in fact. This one. Here I also changed the amplifier because it was broken. I still need to fix it down because these are proof of concept cabinets. So in this cabinet I don't use the 110 volt transformer. I don't use the isolation transformer. It's not needed because in this cabinet everything was broken, in fact. So the amplifier is broken, but I re-jumpered it like that. So when I fix it up, I can reuse it. So also you see it's all Sega connectors put on to do it. So nothing is broken. This is our link cable. This is not a network cable. It's in fact a link cable that goes to the other boards. I will show you in just a second. Let's pull it backwards, this one. Let's go. Yep. Come on. Come on, beast. Beast mode. Alright, I need to deconnect this one. It's in the old system. I need to unplug it. Or I can go behind. So I hope it's not closed. No, it's still open. So if you can see, this is the where the original game board sat. This is still a version 2 of the game. It's the original connector. I hope you can see it. I turn on a light when I'm filming? No, I can't turn up a light. So here also the LEDs are in there to see which coil I'm commanding. This connector again will be reconnected. It can give 110 or I can take 110 or 230 volts on all my cards. So if you don't want to use the isolation transformer or when it's shot, you can reuse everything. You can do it how you want. So, but normally this goes there, and but it's a V1 prototyping board, so now it's fixed. I will show you in the other one. In this one, this is completely connected normally. Well, as you can see, the same kind of system, the same computers, same power supply. I have to check this power supply is on. I have to check why the race lamp was not working. And that's in fact the other card. As you can see, the on the left side, this is the 110 volt connector. There's a fuse, power supply, switcher, and again the original connector to the board. So it's still a bit also prototyping to command this kind of motor, but here the transformer is used. The transformer is rehooked to this outlet box for the PC and the screen, so I don't need to cut connectors. I don't like cutting connectors, and like that everything will work as it should. Here the fan is taken out, so I isolated it with Wago clamps in Europe. Those don't give any problem. Wago clamps, we use them all the time. And all the other wires are not needed. In this kind of cabinet, this is a default hack. It's on all cabinets of Toca. It is in place. So was a change of plans somehow. This is the newer board I have created. So here also you can put on a VGA connector on the bottom. Put in some one transistor at a time. The 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the back 6 extra resistors, and you can output your VGA 15k hertz signal to RGBS. In fact, to command the original chassis if you want. So I also disconnected the fans. It's not needed for me in this home arcade. I believe when you put it somewhere in an arcade when it runs full time, you should reconnect the fans. But all games working perfectly as it should. So this is one of our conversions. The other one I'm still need to. It's cleaned. I cleaned them out, but I'm missing some metal parts, brackets to hold in the glass. I still need to find a solution, in fact, to mount the screens. But it's complete. It was given to me by a Belgian arcade enthusiast, just to learn how to convert it. And he received from me 2 working board sets for in fact the Daytona 2. So after that, I believe more people will be interested in this product, in this solution. So you can revive your old hardware without the original hiccups on the graphics boards and sorts. So yeah, I will keep you all posted of the next one, and I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.